And as we're moving into this era of more light, from 3D to 5D, where basically our vibration is going to be higher and higher. I mean, we are leaving an aspect of living that has been based on all sorts of energies and concepts that don't serve us, and we are starting to find sort of the core of who we really are. And with that comes this embracing of both diversity and multi-dimensionality. So we are basically starting to be able to hold the light for longer. We are able to feel